So next we will see the relation between field and the potential. So from the diagram here, we see that two equipotential surfaces A and B. So on the surface A, the potential is taken as V, and on the surface B, the potential is taken as V plus delta V. So you can see from the figure here, and from the A point, from the A surface, we will take the electric field passing through a point P. Okay, electric field E passing through the point P. And where is P? P is on the surface B. So now what we have to derive from this diagram is, we have to see the relation between the field, electric field E to the potential V. So what will be the relation? So let us see here. So now, as I have discussed all the diagrams, so we will come to this point here. So what will be the potential difference between these two fields? So I told you potential difference is nothing but it is the difference between the two values, that is VA minus VB, right? So therefore now work done in moving, suppose here if there is a charge at point A from the surface A, and if there is a point charge point charge Q, and this point charge Q is moved from A to point P, which lies on B. So some work has to be done. Okay. So therefore the work done is equal to the potential difference between the two surfaces. So therefore work done is given by modulus of E dou L. So here what is dou L? Dou L is the difference in the length between the two surfaces. So that is equal to VA, for VA, what is the potential? It is taken as V. And for VB, what is the potential? So minus, as it is within the bracket, we will take the potential for VB, that is V plus delta V. So here what happens is plus V and minus V gets cancelled out. Therefore, we will minus is multiplied with this. So what answer we get here is minus of dou V. Now let us bring this dou L this side in the denominator. So therefore electric field E is, that means magnitude of the electric field E is equal to negative gradient of the potential. That means negative gradient is nothing but the decrease in the potential as we move from one surface, as the charge is moved from one surface to the other surface. Therefore what is the relation here? It is E, the magnitude of the electric field is directly related to the decrease in the potential. So here negative sign shows the decrease in the potential, or it is the negative potential. It is also known as the negative potential, or it is also known as the potential gradient. Gradient is nothing but decrease, that is nothing but the potential decrease. Therefore, what we can infer from this, what we can conclude it. So here, if we are taking only the magnitude, we can neglect the negative sign, and therefore we can take it as the dou V by dou L. Therefore, there are two conclusions here. What it is? The electric field is in the direction of decreasing potential. So as I told you, I have cleared in the last derivation, electric field is is in the direction of the decreasing potential, and its magnitude is given by the change in the magnitude of potential per unit displacement normal to the equipotential surface at the point. Okay, so this is the conclusion for the relation between the field and the potential.